Hello everyone, welcome back to BOYItech Academy. We are going to dive in and continue from where we stopped from our other class. We have been working on a duplex design, which is displayed as a screen one we are watching now. So we have started building it from scratch, starting up our level up to this level now. So we're going to continue. So what we are having today, this is how we're going to go about it. We're going to first of all do our floor level, and then do our decking, and then we'll move down to parapet design. So after then we'll start looking for the aesthetics of the design, and then we'll move further from there. Okay, so before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the notification button, like and comment, so that you can see more updates, you can get more updates from our videos. Thank you. So this is our design that we've been working. So we're going to be setting up our floor level, then our decking level. To go into our floor level, the first thing you do, we're going to click on the floor level here. After clicking on the floor level, then we'll move down to architecture here, and then down at the properties bar we have the floor here. So we have different types of floor architectural, floor structural by phase, and all these things. We'll dive in small, but today we are going to floor architecture. Okay, so when you click on it, just the normal way we are used to setting we're editing our wall, windows, and all these things. It's the same thing. So now, but before the editing, we're going to select the area for the floor. We're going to click on, I used to use this to pick line, understand, but you can use sketch line, normal line. I used to pick line so that I can be able to get it at the edge here, and then if I click it at this edge, it will be sharp, it will be at the sharp edge. But what I usually do, I come here, I edit it to 25. I want small extrusion, I'll just place like 25 or 20 millimeters. So when I come here, I'll have some, it's not lying at, it's not finishing, yeah, as you can see, it's not finishing sharp to the edge of the floor, wall, sorry, but we're having a small distance, so we're having a small extrusion. So I click on it, I'll go to this level, follow, and then come here again. So I'll use this trim to finish the floor level. The edges, you have to join the edges so that you have a closed loop. Okay, so just trim it and finish it. So you click on the finish button. When it's not finishing, that means you have not trimmed the edges correctly. So from now you can go to our 3D now here. That's how you see. I have to make our floor level now. So that's what I'm saying. You see the extrusion. So I can decide to give another material for this one. Then we'll have this extrusion. But this one, we'll click on the floor, and then we'll edit it now. Okay, you see by default is generic floor 400. So let's click to edit type. Let's go to duplicate. We have already set it in our level there. Now we're going to use 600 floor. Yeah, 600 floor. 600 floor. Let's just leave 600. It's okay. Okay, and then go to edit now. Just the way we are doing it in other wall and all this thing. You come to thickness. You edit the 600. Come to the by material now here. This is by category. This is where you edit the material you want for the floor. So when it opens, the normal procedure that we used to do. So this is how you are going to do it. To open you up to this interface, you click on create new material, right click and rename floor 600. Floor 600. You come down to this particular icon, to open it up, you go to appearance, you click on flooring. So these are the different types of flooring we have in Revit, you understand that? So let me just choose one. Let me just click this one. Let me see. Is it okay? Or something very nice. Let me just use ceramic wood pattern. No, this one. Let me just use this one. Oh, let me just use this one. Okay, so this one is okay. So you can click on the apply and OK. I've set it now. Click on OK. Click on OK. So now I've created your what? Your 600 floor. Are we together? So this is how to create our floor. So you are seeing it, right? So now if you want to create your decking level, so you can be able to do two things, but let me show you the first thing that you can be able to do. You can go to the decking again, yes, and then you go to floor, you click on floor, and then you use my pick tool here. So here, you know already we are having cantilever, that's why it's not aging here. So but now what are we going to do? Are we going to leave our floor at this level, or we are going to trim it? Okay, let's use it like this, and let's finish here. Okay, remember I'm not adding anything here. I don't want to project it, you understand, because I don't want to have any projection. I can leave it here. If I leave it at this level, it will still show, but I will use the same material to cover it. But if you don't want it to show, you can do offset minus so that you can go inside. So I'll just leave it like this at the edge. Let me just pick the edges. Yes. Are we together? So now we can trim it now. So let's trim it. Let's trim the edges. Click at the edges, complete edges. So complete edges. Okay, you go on, continue. See this place is showing me indicate continue, showing me that I've not finished it. So that's how Revit used to do. So would you like to join it? Say no, always put it at no. If not, it will join and do some things that you don't really like. So let's go to 3D now. So we're seeing it back. We're seeing it at what? 400. And then this is not what we want. So you can click on here and then go to edit type, go to 150 floor. So here we need 150. You can go to edit, you can click on 150 here. Let's go to another setting of material here, come to create new material, rename 150 floor 150 floor 150 floor 150 appearance. There's the same floor. Let's use this one now, for instance. Then we finish it. This is our 150 floor. So you see that somebody would like it to have this particular color or different color here, but you check it. If you don't want it, no problem. You see here it's just lapping, so I want this thing to maintain the same material with this, understand, but I don't want any extrusion. I'll just use the same material of this wall and then finish it up. So for this one, I will leave it till we'll come to render stage. Because I don't want to have any. Oh, I can still edit it. Just click on it and go to edit. No, not this edit, sorry, please. Let's edit boundary. Let's go back to the decking. So let me just shift it to inside. So so that we cannot even see. The wall will just cover it. You know, already we have wall already, so the wall will just cover it. Just yes, so let's make it like this. Let's go. You see, it's now inside. You're not seeing anything outside now. Yes, except this one. Yes, so this is how it will go. But you see, that's the problem with the extruding it inside. I'm having some lapses here, so but here I will just maintain it at the same level, at the same edge, you understand, ba? And then these other places now I can just leave it to be before within inside. There will not be any challenge. So this particular cantilever, because of the extrusion outside, I will not love to be seeing it like that, so I will just make it to go back. Stand back. Yes, only this place. Yes, only this place. Okay. Okay, I've seen it back. So now I'm having what, a sharp edge now here with this particular place now. So this is what we're having now. You can come here, front elevation, and let's see what we're having here. So this is what we're having. So what I'm thinking of, this window now like this, let's make a window, just this same window here, let's transfer it something like that, and then let's have it uniformly. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. So you can come here now and just set it. I remember we said at 3600. Let me set it at 3600, and then I'll delete the other ones. 3600. So what I'm doing here, I'm just doing it so that I will be showing you the different occurrences that will happen during the drawing, you understand, ba? And then how you are going to go about it. Yes, I can go straight ahead and just be doing it, you understand, but I need to remove so perfectly. But what I'm doing presently, I'm trying to be try this one. I'm having challenge. No, I'm changing my mind. This is how I'll go about it, so that we can be able to have this learning process very, very intense. Because if I just go straight to the point, like I'm sure of what I'm doing, you will not be, the time you are facing your own challenge, I'll not be there to show you how to do it. But this is how we design architect. As we are doing it, we are changing. This thing is not in order, we are changing it because we are in the process of what, constructing the design. You understand, ba? So that's architect for you. So so let's have unison here and here, understand, ba? So here now we can transfer what is here and then keep it here. So now here we need what? We need a what are they calling it? We are going to dig here, understand, so that we can have a floor over our balcony. So in doing that, still we're going to go to, let's go to digging, and then we go on floor, click on floor, and then this one I can be able to use this because I don't need to, I will just go like this, and then here it will be a form of a cantilever, so I'll just finish it here. So this one now is at what, digging level. So what I will do is I'll click on it, this particular floor, I will change the height. Let me take it to, I'm going to leave it at lintel level, or we should make it at the overhead corsair. You can make it at the overhead corsair 3 meters. 3 meters. 3 meters. Yes, something like this. That's what I mean. So here we are going to leave it at what? Let's say 150.